Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So this is a video where Sushant wanted to connect. He gave me the message in the morning also, and then there was Queen of Wands which came across, and I'm making this video. And before making this video, there are two things that I would want to tell you, all of you, that in case I'm not making videos or Sushant is not conveying, it's only because he wants us to kind of wait. It's not that he's not connected. Three of Cups just came, so it's a card of celebration. And guys, that's why we need to know celebration will happen. It's not that he's not I was saying it's not that he's not connected, it's just that he wants us to wait. And the second thing that I want to tell you, and this is not because I want the video, I don't kind of want to get anything out of these videos, but I kind of heard somewhere on a YouTube channel that there is somebody who committed suicide because he thought that the justice is not happening, and it's not happening. So I just want people to know that that's not the case. Justice will happen, and he wants all of us to know that justice will happen. And that is why don't commit any such things that Sushant would not want you to commit or do. And that is why please spread this video as much as you can, so that people know that he's connected and he's there, he's still fighting, and it's things are happening. It's not that the justice will not happen. And the card also, see, that came out is justice. It's a card of justice, and it's saying that justice will happen undoubtedly. And that is why there is no doubt that justice will happen. That's why please guys, don't think about it. And there is Wheel of Fortune again, number 10 came across, and I don't know what this number 10 is. I also, like you, kind of keep on thinking about it, but I don't know when it will come into light, but it will. I know for sure that it will come to light. I know for sure that the justice will happen. Sushant, let's just see what he wants to tell you. And I would not really ask any questions as such, because it doesn't matter if I know who's done it, or it will not matter. So what right now what he kind of wants to tell is there is 10 of Wands, and there is, so the cards, how they are placed, it kind of show that there were many people involved. There was a situation where many people involved, all of them are waiting that some action should happen, something should happen, something should come to light, and it is happening in the background. If you see in this card, it is happening in the background. There's a person who's sitting down and listening quietly to the what two people are conversating. And if you see, there is the justice sign here also, the weighing scales, and that is why this is Two of Swords. No matter how much we feel that it is not happening, it is happening in the background, definitely. And that is why you need not to be worried about it. And then ultimately there is Ace of Swords, and Ace of Swords is about the communication that is coming ahead, a communication that will come. And aces are usually hands of gods, and that is why you don't have to be worried. We don't have to be thinking, we don't have to be going into that zone that nothing is happening, nothing is moving. And if I'm not sending a video, or if I'm not making a video, it's because Sushant wants us to just be comfortable with it, with the fact that things are happening in the background. Sushant, what else do you want to convey? What is it? So, okay. So the cards that I have, they show that things are happening, okay. And then there is Six of Cups, the card of Six of Cups, which have always coming across, and that's the card where you see this one big person's giving something to the old child, or the child. There is Six of Cups, there is Seven of Wands. Six of Cups basically is about emotions. Definitely our emotions are connected, and definitely there are some people who sting him, and they are going to be in the light, they are going to be found. There is the card of that person who's related to him. That card has always been coming across. And then there is a card which is Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands is all about standing your ground. If you see, there is a growth that is coming out of nowhere. There are stones, and then out of those stones there are flowers that are coming. And that is why the card is saying that stand your ground, things will come out. And if you see in this card, this is Knight of Swords. In this card there are four people who are standing and looking for something. And then there is a king sitting here, but the king has actually turned out into a sheep, completely changed. And that's why the cards are saying that whatever we are waiting for, the justice to happen, for the things to come to light, no matter how strong the person is, how strong the things are, how strong this king is, ultimately will be caught, will be made a sheep. And that is when there is Queen of Swords. And if you see behind this Queen of Swords, there is a building which looks like a jail. jail. And that is why the cards are saying that ultimately the truth will come out and the person will go to jail, and the situations will end in that particular way. And that is why we don't really have to be worried or thinking. And end of the deck, there is the card which is Temperance. It's number 14 card, and if you see, there is this person who's kind of breaking something or giving something to breaking a thing that was not useful or that was not right or truth, and it's some pop or some kind of religious king or some kind of religious figure. And that is why the truth will come out. Whatever is happening, it has happened for a reason. And I'm not going to ask Sushant about specific names, and you guys know that I don't take names, and anyways it doesn't matter, right? If I know the name or you know the name, what we need to know is justice will happen, and that is important, that we keep fighting for it. And that is where the whole thing kind of matters. It doesn't matter if we ask a specific question about it. And I just want to know what he wants to say. Sushant, if there is anything else that you want to convey. The cards that have come again are just the same, just the how they are placed has completely literally changed. A little is changed about how they are placed, but they are just the same cards. And the first card is Sun, which is an additional card, and it's the card 9 plus 1 is 10, and still 10 number is not gone, guys. It's still there, and I know you don't know it, I don't know it, but there is something definitely related to 10. It will come to light. We'll have to have patience. And Sun card is also about his rebirth, so he's again kind of reassuring us that when these things happen and the message comes out, the reality comes out, he will take a rebirth. So that's kind of a reassurance that he's giving us. And that is why we don't have to be worried. Truth will come into light. And if you see, there is this figure where there is a lion who's sitting in the sunlight, and there's bright sun which has come from behind, and he's kind of enjoying that sun. And that is why the truth, when it comes out, everything will come to light, everything. And there is 10 of Wands, where definitely all of us are waiting. There is again this sign where the justice will happen. These are weighing scales again that has come, and no matter how blindfolded we feel, justice is happening. In this card again, Three of Swords, if you see, there are two people who are talking to each other. There is Three of Pentacles. There is one person who's sitting there and carefully listening to what they are doing, and that is why the work is happening. There is this person standing in between and is actually giving orders to two teams, and we know two teams are working, right? So they are working, they are doing their bit that they need to. And again, there is Ace of Swords. It's the card where there is Wheel of Fortune also. It's the card that is saying that ultimately the things will happen. And by the end of the deck, there is a card where, if you can see a figure like a jail behind again. So that is why, guys, please be focused. Definitely things will happen, and definitely it is happening. Sushant, anything else that you want to tell? Sushant, is there anything else that you want to convey? Anything else that you want to convey? So I don't think that there is anything else that he wants to convey. And along with that, end of the deck, there's a card of Justice again, and that's what he wants to convey, that guys, please have faith, justice is going to happen. And I'll just take out surrender cards, because last time also we did. So we just want to know what we need to surrender. So Sushant, what is it that we need to surrender? What is it that we need to surrender, Sushant? A lot of cards came out, so I'm going to just take the one that came out separately. And this again, this is the card which says surrender defensiveness. Defensiveness is a sign of weakness. To communicate in a more empowered way, stay centered and hear someone out, then offer a clear and non-defensive response. And that is why the cards are saying that we don't have to become defensive. We are fighting within ourselves. We are fighting with people who are actually fighting for the same justice, and that is why we don't have to be defensive. We continuously need to just listen to what is coming ahead, with whatever people are telling, whatever authorities are doing, and just surrender to that, and keep on fighting, keep on fighting our war for, or our fight for Sushant. And the second card is surrender to receiving love and support. Allow the love and support of others in, rather than trying to handle everything by yourself. This can take a pressure off and simultaneously nurture you. And that is why these cards are very clearly stating that we have to actually be together in this. We have to fight together in this. And I wanted to take out cards from the deck that I usually take out, just And the cards that I have is Two of Swords, there is Four of Swords, and then there is Star card. So the cards are very, very clear that right now we are feeling blindfolded, we are feeling things are not happening, we are feeling that there is nothing that is coming to light, everything gets stand still, but that is not the case. Everything will come to light, everything will shine bright, will actually know, and the justice will see the truth of the light of the day, and that is why the truth will come out, and we don't have to be worried or thinking or negative about it. And I don't think there is anything else that Sushant wants to convey to us. Just that, guys, be positive, be clear that the truth is coming out, and it is going to come out, and just keep fighting for the truth. And don't worry if there are videos not coming, he's still there, justice will happen, 10 is still important. And please share this video with as many people as you can, because this will help his message actually to go across or reach multiple people. And end of the card, there's Death card, it is the renewal. Thank you so much, take care, bye bye.